Hello guys, there is echo here. I don't know whether I'm going to be hearing me well, but anyway, it's because the room is empty. So this is my room. This is the light that I put in. Another one is there. It's quite big, so this is my plan. It's near Shell. It's near Toto. It's near Toto. It's just there. There's a salon there. So this is a building, and yeah, these are it's quite good. It's quite good. I love the floor, the tiles. It's not white, but it's okay. We can go with that. So I have two sockets. I have this one and this one. So my plan is, because I'm going to be doing a lot of filming, I think I'm going to put, Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today it's a different thing. So today I've brought my things here, and I don't know how this room is going to look like, but yeah, we have not started yet and everything is disorganized. So this is where I want to put my dressing mirror, just that I'm disappointed. These are nice, these are okay. I showed you this last time. And then today I'd come and they brought my dressing mirror, the bigger one, but guess what? I was beyond disappointed. So they have taken it back to do exactly what I told them to do, because I paid them and I can't even ignore any of the mistakes that they have made. But actually, other things, another person who is supposed to bring my makeup table, he has been stressing me too. So this is the stress that you find when you're starting a business. Like, everything is stressing. You pay money, you make a deal, and then someone don't perform according to the plan. And then, but there are some people who performed well, like someone who made for me these two mirrors. They're real nice, they're okay, they're fine. And then someone who made these tables, these are makeup tables for me. And then someone who made this is the exact person who made for me this. So I got really nice work. It is very dirty because we've transferred it. And then these are nice. So I'm waiting for my I'm waiting for my dressing mirror. There is that one and this one for makeup. They're going to be there, two of them, and then I'll put the dressing mirror, the makeup table, and then there, where you see that mirror, I'm going to put a dressing mirror. It is big, but I'm very disappointed. That is outside. So the beauty of this room is, when I close my doors, I don't hear the noise that is coming from outside, and that is really perfect. So I changed the lights, and I'm going to put these, and then this. I'm going to put another one. I have two there, so I'm going to put them there. And everything is so disorganized. So I have that sewing machine, which is not set up yet, and I'll do that, or my friend will help me to do that. I have these two machines. I'm going to be using my perfect machine. This is 6180 and this is 6160. Yeah, so total I have three machines, this one and these two. And I'm going to put this side where I'm standing. So this side is going to be for makeup, and there it will be a dressing mirror for my customers. So I'm planning on making either because here with time I'll put some shelves, but they will be very high, like up there. I don't want it to be low. So yeah, so I'm planning on making something good here where I can film from, or I can showcase my clothes from there. So I'm planning on doing something simple there. And initially I wanted the mirror to be there, but I placed this mirror here and it wasn't getting like the light wasn't that okay. So I don't know what I'm going to be doing with that, but I can also put this because I'm going to be putting this rack. You see this? Yeah, I have this rack that I made, and I may put it there, or it might even be in the center, in the middle of the room here, because I want this space to be here for me to use when I'm cutting, when I'm filming, or when I'm doing something when I need space. So I want this space to be here, and the room is quite big, so I have those dummies there, and they will be there when I'm leaving work, of course. So I have this precious space too. Of course, it might be for filming, or I may make a simple dressing room or space out here. You see that? So yeah, that is my room. That is my room. I don't remember if I made an empty room tour, but yeah. So I have all these things packed here. These are my bottles that I made that I'm going to do. I'm going to use these to do my what? To do my decor. Of course, the theme is silver and black. And here I used, you see, my things are neutral, like neutral. That's what I want, because I don't want the room to look so busy, and I just don't like it. I don't like it. So yeah, that is it. When I stand here, that is the room. This is my makeup space. That is my dressing space, or anything that I will choose to do. And then this is my my sewing space. So I may bring this table here up to here for that one to fit there. And in the future, I will have to take that table away. Maybe I will just use it for storage, or I will take it to my apartment. Okay, so I will take it with me, and I will get a nice sewing table at the same level with that one, or with like this one, but when it can cater for like 3 or 4 sewing machines. Okay, and this is a reminder, these are all things in the bags packed. Okay, so just a reminder, we're going to be teaching makeup, we're going to be teaching fashion and design, we're going to be teaching beauty, we're going to be enjoying. So just come and enjoy with us. Just come and learn how to sew, how to create, how to do everything, and I will have a lot of things for you. So for now, I'm going to say good night, goodbye, or good morning, or good evening, wherever you are. So as soon as you like this video, I sign out. Peace. Bye. See you in the next video. Of course, after ordering, I'm going to be taking you through when I'm filming this, and then I'll be telling you what is next. But now I'm saying goodbye.